What an absolutely adorable pixie. I'm in love with the overall shape of this cut. Yes, absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Style News Network. So today we're going to be checking out some baddie haircut ideas. Here we have this gorgeous all black pixie with the curls, followed by a pixie makeover. Super cute. Then we have someone getting some color. Like she got like a sandy blonde pixie going here. Ooh. Wow, that color is gorgeous. Very nice. Next up, we got somebody rocking out the contrasting hair color trend. I think that this is super fun. And I feel like you can do this with any color. Just add a little bit of a pop to spice up your boring strands. Do a little bit of color, not too much. I love this idea. Here we have someone about to head to the salon. She had her baseball cap on there. She's getting some color. And going platinum with this pixie. Beautiful. Next up, we have somebody who big chops into a pixie. Like she has an undercut going here as well. Two-toned color combo, blonde and black. Oh, this is sexy. Look at, oh wow, look at all this hair. She still has a ton of hair to play with. I love the way that the color looks. And she kind of looked like Queen Latifah. But this cut, y'all, I am loving this. I am here for all of this. Then we have another stunning pixie. This one features a very bold color combo, the black with the pink and the yellow. Little bit of design work on the side. Very cute. And then it looks like we have a bob here for the next one. Followed by another bob. Look at that beautiful color. And then here we have a transformation by crew cuts. Always got to do the slow-mo pan. It looks like she got a taper cut here. Gorgeous. And this is by far one of my favorite natural haircut ideas that you can rock out. She looks beautiful. Of course, she got her makeup done. Flawless face, flawless haircut. And the tears just come running. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed taking a look at all these gorgeous hairstyle ideas that you can wear this season. If you did, please be sure to give this video some love, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.